explore websites, and also we are going to understand how does a website look like and how we have to design it. Okay, so we are going to see some examples of it. So let's get started. So this is godaddy.com. This is one example of a website. So in a website you see a lot of things, like this is your domain first of all, on which your website is being hosted, okay, on which it is addressed to more specifically. So GoDaddy, okay, here comes the nav bar. Firstly, in every almost in every website there is a nav bar or a navigation bar where all of your links are given here. All of the web pages that you have, everything that you have created in your website, the link of that is given onto this navigation bar. Alright, so in this navigation bar you can see more number of things, more number of items you can say, or more number of links you can say, which will redirect to some other web pages or any other post or a blog or some section of your website. That can be anything. Alright, so this is how your navigation bar looks like. More commonly, navigation bar has home, about us, contact us, help, and sign in. Most commonly, okay. So in sign in, where you go and log into your account or log out, or you create an account, there are so many options, okay. Here in the e-commerce website, this is an e-commerce website which sells domains and hosting. So here you have your cart icon, okay, cart, where you, just like in Amazon you have, right, so you can relate to it. So this is a navigation bar where you have your company's logo and your all those redirection links and the main links like contact us, help, or sign in, or any home, about us, any links, okay. So below that, here comes our another section, that is search section. In almost every website, the search section is included in the navigation bar itself, but in this particular website, as we know that everyone has their own style of designing websites, so this is given here below the navigation bar. You can put it down there, here too, and wherever you feel it to be good, okay. So here is your search bar where you search for domains in case of this website, okay. So this is your navigation bar. So that was navigation bar, and in below you have your hero. Means this section is called as hero. Hero means the header. Header means the main page or the main image or the main showcase of your website. This hero shows what is your website is about, what is the theme of your website, what is your company is about, and how does it work, what it offers, and what is its speciality, okay. So you have a lot of things to add over here, okay. So this is where you in this case, in GoDaddy's, you can read here that get a .com domain for ₹1 first year. So this is the whole marketing of that company is, okay. So here you can see a lot of it. So below you can go and you can see a lot of more about a lot of information about that company, right. And in right corner in the bottom or in the left, in some websites there are pop-ups. Those pop-ups are basically of something that notifies you that this is on the offer, this is on the demand, or this is something. And most probably in most of the websites which has chatbots in them, they have that in here. So you can go click here and start chatting us, and you can see that you can have a bot and which can chat to you, and that is another feature your website can have, okay. Alright, so below you go, here you got an animation. So you can create a lot of animation. This is a slider where things are smoothly sliding in, okay. You have the button and you have all of these things which makes your website amazing. Alright, so here comes another most beautiful website, that is hume.ai. This is the AI related website which has a very good animation, and it has built with so much of efforts and talent, so this is a rare website and it is very good. Fine, now we are going to look at the most beautiful website of the world in some previous years. It is listed in the top 10 list, which is known as Mikiya Kobayashi. It is a Japanese website, okay. So here it is of an architecture which sells furnitures actually. So here you can see it has only images, and you can see the navigation bar, this effect, and the navigation bar contains just one link, just one this icon on which if you'll press it, all the navigation bar links are listed over here, which is a super cool, awesome feature of this website. Most of the websites have this, and this is like wow. Okay, so you have the contact page, you have the news. This is something that is known as a very rare website, and so most of the people don't design their websites like this. Okay, so we are just watching this website in order to understand how does a website look like. Okay, now we have another website with us, that is Udemy. Udemy is a website where you can learn so much of courses of very different things, and you can see that their nav bar contains search, just like I told you that search bar can also be in the navigation bar. So you saw it. Okay, so you got this login, sign up, and then when you go, you see the sponsors and so much more. And you can also in every website has their own footer. This footer contains almost all the links of their website which they don't put in the navigation bar, and that also contains the copyright thing, okay, of that company, all the sponsors they can have, the company's brand. Okay, so that all the branding and everything is done in the footer as well as in header. Okay, so that was all about today. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next lecture.